Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Daily English Teacher. Before we start, only around 500 of you are subscribed. If you enjoy learning real English every day, help this channel reach 500 subscribers. It takes 1 second, and it helps a lot. Today we are covering one of the most essential grammar points in English. Do versus does. It seems simple, but many learners make mistakes because they do not understand the structure, the focus, and the exceptions. So today, I will break it down step by step, so you never make mistakes again. Let us begin. Part 1. Do and does in questions ****. First, the most common use. We use do and does to make present simple questions. Do is used with I, you, we, they. Examples: do you like coffee? Do they study every day? Do we need to leave now? Do I sound clear? Does is used with he, she, it. Examples: does he live here? Does she understand the problem? Does it taste good? Important: after do and does, the verb is always in base form. Never say does he goes. Do she likes. Incorrect. Correct: does he go? Do she like? Do they work? Practice. I will say a sentence, and you think of the question form. He plays guitar. Correct question: does he play guitar? You eat breakfast early. Correct question: do you eat breakfast early? Great, let's move on. Part 2. Do and does in negative sentences ****. Next, we use do and does to form negative sentences in the present simple. Do not becomes don't. Does not becomes doesn't. Don't with I, you, we, they. Examples: I don't know. You don't understand. They don't live here. We don't agree. Doesn't with he, she, it. Examples: he doesn't like it. She doesn't work on Sundays. It doesn't fit. Always remember, after don't and doesn't, the verb stays in base form. Never say he doesn't likes. She doesn't goes. Correct: he doesn't like. She doesn't go. Quick practice. I'll say a sentence, you form the negative. She plays tennis. Correct: she doesn't play tennis. They understand the rule. Correct: they don't understand the rule. Good job. Great work today. Do versus does seems basic, but mastering it makes your English clearer and more natural. If this lesson helped, support the channel by subscribing. Help us reach 500 subscribers. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.